Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. If you've watched one of my videos early on in the week, you've seen that I got some reduced bacon. I recommend the cheapy packets of bacon you get for about £1.20, something like that. I've just used this bacon, but I usually use the cheapy stuff because I got this reduced. So I had 5 or 6 slices left because I'd used it for 2 other recipes earlier on in the week. I cut it up into little pieces. With a knob of butter, I've been sweating it in the pan, and I've seasoned it with garlic granules, salt and cracked black pepper. So then I proceeded to chop up some veg. So I peeled and sliced some potatoes and left them in a bowl to soak because I'm going to be making a hot pot. So while they were soaking, I chopped up whatever veg I could find in my fridge. So this is what I had. I had half a celery stick, half a stick of leek, a couple of carrots, a little piece of sweet and a small onion. So these are all going to go into this pot as well. So they all going to go everywhere. Excuse me. It is a bit. There you go. The budgie's perfect. It's hard to do with one hand. Put all these little bits in. So butter, bacon and seasoning to taste, and whatever veggies you've got. There could be a frozen bag of veggies instead. I'm just going to mix all these up. So it's bacon and veggies. Nice cheeky meal. This is easy enough for 2 people, or you can stretch it out for 1 adult and a couple of kiddies. If you can eat them, get them to eat the veggies, that is. Nice. So now I'm going to sprinkle over some gravy granules. I use these ones from Aldi. You can stick in a cube, or if you've got some homemade stock, that would be great. And this is some cold water from the tap. Special. Let's give it all a mix with my spoon. I need a bit more. Oh, I love a bit of leek. It's always nice with a bit of bacon. Okay. And then I'm going to pile on the potatoes on top, so just make a layer. So I've used 4 medium-sized potatoes to make it go a little bit further. You might want to put less or more, depends on how many people you're feeding. So there you go, it doesn't have to be particularly fancy. And then I'm going to just add some knobs of butter on top. So it makes the top layer all crispy and all the ones underneath all lovely, soft and soggy and yummy and tasty. So there you go, a bacon hot pot. So you can use cheapy bacon, it doesn't have to be posh bacon. I just used what I had left over from a reduced packet. Stick in the oven for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour, depends on how crispy you want your potatoes on top. So I bound round gas 6, 180 degrees. And maybe you could serve it with lashings of buttery bread as well. So there you go, nice little easy recipes to do, using up your leftover veggies and in my case leftover bacon as well. Thanks so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe if you could. I really appreciate it. Bye for now.